everyone, welcome back to the Top 10 Most Awesome channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we are here with an interesting topic for our driving lovers. Driving a car makes you feel free and excited. With the right driving skills, you can visit places and explore the unexplored parts of the Down. Learning how to drive is not a daunting task. After all, you need to learn the controls correctly and use them when the time comes. Your presence of mind, essential functions of the car, and understanding the traffic rules are the basic things you need to drive a vehicle effortlessly. However, there are some things that your driving instructor won't teach you. Whether it's the placement of the mirrors or the use of high beams, we are here to enlighten you with a few essential skills that your driving instructor won't. Use these tips to avoid dangerous situations and become a confident driver. Number 10. When making a turn, don't turn the wheels beforehand. Spinning the wheels in advance before making a left or right turn is quite dangerous. The wheels should be ideally in the initial position. In case a car hits you from the back, your vehicle will be thrown in the opposite direction, which will cause a crash for sure. So make sure whenever you plan to turn, keep this point in mind. Number 9. Don't let low speed deceive you. When driving on a straight road, the pace seems twice as slow than it really is. The car might skid if you continue driving at the same speed before making a turn. To avoid such situation, have control on the speed according to the lane. Maintain it as per the actual requirement. Number 8. Adjust your rear view mirror at night. Even many experienced drivers don't know that the rear view mirror has two modes, day and night. Change the angle of the mirror to avoid blinded by a car behind you. It's a basic thing you should always keep in mind. Just a few second task can make a lot of difference and safety for you. Number 7. Turn the high beams on if the car doesn't start. In winter, the car just won't start at the first try. To avoid a panic situation, heat the battery of your vehicle by turning on the high beams. It's a hack that will save you from chilling in cold nights and struggling to start your vehicle. Number 6. Watch out for the maneuvers of taller cars. Pay attention to the vehicle running ahead of you. Drivers of taller vehicles have a better idea of the road situations as they have a fuller view of the road. If they change lanes or stop, it is likely that they saw any roadblock. Follow them and change lanes too. Number 5. Learn to feel where the wheels are. You need to learn to feel where the wheels are if you want to avoid potholes and not scratch your hubcaps when parking. Practice the skill by driving the car over a flattened plastic bottle with your left and right front wheels in turn. Before moving on, just take a moment to subscribe the channel and be the top 10 most awesome squad. Join the first viewer list by hitting the bell icon for the post notification. Driving further too. Number 4. Check if all your mirrors are adjusted correctly. A blind spot appears when the mirrors are not adjusted properly. It is part of the road that you can't see while driving. To get rid of blind spots, you should adjust the side view mirrors so that you can't see your car in them. And see other areas on the road and have the view for what these mirrors are actually in a car. Number 3. Drive with both hands on the wheel at 9 and 3 o'clock. The proper driving position is not slouched over the wheel or behind it, with one wandering hand at high noon. Don't pretend you heard something else somewhere else, because you didn't and they were wrong. Number 2. Don't be the jerk who rides the right lane and cuts in when lanes merge. There's an argument to be made that all drivers should fill all available lanes, even when those lanes merge. Fine, just don't be an idiot and jump in and out of the lanes just to get ahead of one or two vehicles. This is the actual way of driving smartly. Number 1. Don't creep out too far in the intersection, especially if you know you won't make that light. You end up cutting down the time for the other turn lanes to get their fair chance at a light, and as you know from driving in, there's always an intersection that falls prey to terrible light timing. Even though you have practiced driving in and out, there's a chance of things falling out of place. In that case, these points will help you. This also gives you the peace of mind you need while driving your car on the streets. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. If you too have any such point or tip or hack, then do let us know in the comment box below. Also, do not forget to like and share the video to help other drivers as well.